have no students. If you are a language teacher and you are thinking about starting your own after-school program, or maybe you want to promote your courses, stop making this one mistake. Stop saying your courses are fun. I know, because everybody says that and it's too generic. And maybe our idea of fun, teaching through fun, is not the same idea as our students, what they find enjoyable. For example, when I first started teaching kids English, I thought, worksheets and colouring pages, great fun. But then I soon realised that students, when they're actually studying at school for like 8 hours and they're doing only colouring pages and worksheets, the last thing that they want to do in an after-school program is the same of what they're doing at school. So what is important, what is key, is to be really clear of what your courses offer. Be unique, be different from what everybody else is doing. For example, when I started my own after-school program, I knew that I wanted to teach textbook free. I wanted to boost children's communication skills, their speaking skills, and so I used English through drama. Drama because I have a background in drama. And so when parents would call me and they would ask for some information about my courses, my after-school program, I would actually be really clear of what my courses offer through drama and what they don't offer. For example, yes, we don't offer courses with textbooks or writing or colouring pages or apps or even desks. We don't have any desks in our classroom. So then the parents know exactly what to expect when they come to your courses. They have a really clear idea and they can either say on the phone, oh wow, I love the focus on communication skills and speaking skills, or they might say, okay, yeah, it's not exactly what we're looking for. And that is okay. So if you're starting your own after-school program, the key is to be really clear of what your courses offer, what makes you unique, what makes you stand out. And don't worry about trying to accommodate for everybody's taste. Just find your niche. And let me know in the comments where in the world you are actually going to start your after-school program. Where do you teach? Let me know.